If you're watching this in 2026 and you're still waiting to get that 30% federal residential solar tax credit with your solar installation, I hate to tell you, you missed it. Look, thanks to one big beautiful bill, December 31st of 2025 was the hard cliff for any residential federal tax credits. For the ownership credit, it's now zero. It's dead. There was no phase down at all. But does that mean that solar doesn't make sense? Absolutely not. It still does. But there's a bigger problem here. Over the past few years, hundreds of installers, both large and small alike, have all gone out of business. And the big national names like SunPower and lenders like Sonova have gone belly up. And if you're a customer of one of these companies, you're left with a 30-year asset on your roof and an installer who no longer answers their phone. So today, I'm going to give you the 2026 and beyond survival blueprint for solar. We're going to find out the best way to protect yourself, your investment, and find a safe haven in the solar market. For the last 10 to 15 years in solar have been an absolute gold rush. There have been companies opening like crazy, installing a ton of solar. We've set record after record after record. But a lot of that was built on high tax credits, low interest rates, and great net metering policies. As those things are all changing, some of the other companies are folding because they weren't properly set up to last for a long time. When an installer tells you, hey, we've got a 25-year workmanship warranty, the question you need to be asking is that installer going to be around in even 25 months to take care of me, let alone 25 years? If the answer to that question is no, then really that warranty is just as good as the paper that it's written on. You're the one who's left holding the bag for diagnostics, for repairs, for working with manufacturers to try and get new equipment when something inevitably goes wrong with your system. If you don't have independent, financially backed warranty protection, you don't have a warrant, you have a gamble. So here's what the sales guy's not going to tell you. Most manufacturer warranties are only going to cover the part. And most workmanship warranties are only going to cover the work that a company is doing at your home if they improperly install something or mess something up during the install. It leaves a huge gap in there. If your inverter or your panel fails, the manufacturer will send you a new part. Awesome. But who's going to do the work? Who's going to climb up on top of your roof? Who's going to spend 4 hours diagnosing the wiring? And more importantly, who is going to pay for it? You are. Because you don't have a warranty that's going to cover you for that. They're not standard in solar, but they should be. Service for solar systems can start at a base level at $300 just for a company to come out to you. Once you start adding in the labor, you could be looking at $800 to $1,200 just to replace one free part. It wipes out a ton of your savings. That's why you need to have a strong, independent, financially backed warranty that covers both parts and labor to properly secure your investment. And that's why we here at Solar Insure created the SI30 Solar Warranty. It's a 30-year solar warranty that covers parts and labor for your solar energy system, including all the major components like your panels and your inverter. It's not a service plan, it's the industry's safe haven. First things first, SI30 Solar is a 30-year warranty. It's independent of the other systems. It's not 10 years, it's not 25 years like you find standard in solar, it's 3 full decades. Secondly, it covers everything. You're going to cover your panels, inverters, optimizers, racking, and roof penetrations. Most solar warranties are going to run for the hills when you start talking about roof penetrations. And third, and maybe most importantly, the SI30 Solar Warranty covers manufactured installer default protection. So if a manufacturer goes out of business, we have a backing from an A+ rated insurance carrier who's going to make sure that you can still get the equipment you need to. If your installer goes out of business, Solar Insure team comes in to get a new certified tech to come out, do the work on your home, replace the equipment you need to, and you still pay nothing. Zero fees, zero onboarding, zero deductible. It's the best way to truly make solar set it and forget it again. So why does this matter now more than ever? Well, you know and I know that our utility bills are skyrocketing. Between grid upgrade costs and AI data centers eating up more capacity, the grids aren't just eating these costs, they're passing it down to the consumers, and we're paying more for it. Solar is the only exit ramp to these increasing costs. But if you're spending months at a time to your system down because you're fighting a flaky installer or waiting on a manufacturer, your savings could be going right out the window. Look, uptime isn't a luxury in 2026. Uptime is a financial necessity. And SI30 Solar makes it so that your exit ramp never closes and you're not spending all of your savings paying for surprise repairs. I'm not here to sell you solar panels. I'm here to tell you that in 2026, how is way more important than what. Don't just buy a solar energy system, buy an energy hedge that's guaranteed for 3 decades. If you're a solar homeowner or someone looking to go solar, don't sign a contract unless that solar installer is Solar Insure certified and you're getting an SI Solar warranty with it. If you're a solar installer, stop competing on price, start competing on value and offer true value to your customers. Find your solar safe haven with SI30 Solar. Check out the video description for a link on how you can find a Solar Insure certified provider near you and learn more about SI30 Solar. Don't leave yourself or your solar investment unprotected. Secure your future with SI30 Solar.